Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bridge tokens in Phantom Wallet using its built-in cross-chain swapper. So let's dive in. So first things first, open your Phantom Wallet and head to the swap button at the bottom of the screen, this icon at the very center. Now this is where the cross-chain swapper lives. Think of it like a next generation bridge that makes moving assets across chains feel just like a regular token swap. So at the top of your wallet, you'll see your current network displayed. So you want to tap the drop-down icon right over here to choose your origination chain. Now, this is the blockchain your tokens are currently on. For example, you might select Ethereum if you want to move assets from there. You can also choose a specific token you want to bridge directly from your wallet balance. Next, you're going to have to choose your destination chain. You want to tap this icon right over here. And then from here, simply pick the blockchain you want to bridge to. Now, this is where your tokens will end up. For example, you can move funds from Ethereum over to the Solana network and receive USDC there. So after that, the amount you want to bridge, put it right over here, tap that. And you want to make sure to double check the token, the source chain, and the destination chain to avoid mistakes. And once everything looks correct, there will be a option here to review the order at the very bottom. All right. And then on the final screen, you'll see a breakdown of the transaction details. Simply tap swap to confirm the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully bridged tokens using Phantom's cross-chain swapper all directly inside the wallet. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!